back to my channel. For this video I have a makeup look for Thanksgiving, any holiday photos that you're gonna be taking soon. I don't know who's gonna celebrate Thanksgiving. I'm still not sure what we're gonna do. I think we're just gonna stay home and either have a Zoom call with our families. I don't know if we're gonna hang out, but nonetheless you want to take pictures and you want to look cute. So this is a little blue inspiration. I am wearing a dress. Don't think I'll make it. It's just, you know, little black dress to feel like in the occasion. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, I used e.l.f.'s new pigments on my eyes, and this works so good. This make like your blue shadow pop so much. If you like this video, make sure to be subscribed to my channel for more, and make sure to like this video. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now and let's get to the video. So first I like to start with my eyebrows. Here I am combing them, and then I use a tinted brow gel to give it some color and shape. Then I use a concealer to make that shape more structured and more defined. I blend those edges real well. And now I'm using a Morphe eyeshadow base. And on top of that, I am using my NARS concealer. I'm going to use the James palette, and I'm going to use this light brown shade to start shading my eye. Then with an angled brush, just in the outsides of my eyes, I'm going to use a darker brown. And I'm going to blend as always. Then I'm going to use this new e.l.f. product. It's like an eyeshadow base. I just love the color. And then I'm gonna use a blue color from the James palette, and I'm gonna lock that color in. I'm gonna blend those edges with another blue shade just to give it a dimension. And then go back with the same little brown shade to blend all in. I'm going to do a wing liner and make it a little dramatic. I'm going to put on my foundation. I'm using the NARS foundation in the shade Barcelona. I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer. And then I'm going to carve out that liner. I'm gonna use my Fit Me powder to lock all that in place. I'm going to bake a little bit of my Airspun powder underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use my MAC bronzer. And I'm going to dust all that powder off. And use a MAC blush just in the apples of my cheeks. I'm adding a clear gel brow to set those babies in. And I'm gonna use my Becca highlighter. I'm now going to line the waterlines of my eyes with a black liner, and then put some of that blue shadow on top. To put a little bit of white in my eyebrow bone to make them pop, and a little bit of silver in the inner corners of my eyes. Apply some mascara and put on a lipstick on. Today I'm using my Wings lashes. Here's the final look. I hope you enjoy watching this process, and I hope I gave you some inspiration for your future holiday pictures. See you in the next one.